In this video, I will show you how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on my Windows 11 desktop. Now to turn off your Windows Defender, all you need to do is come down to your toolbar at the bottom, click into the search box next to the Windows Start icon, and just go ahead and type virus and threat protection. Now underneath Best Match, you should see the virus and threat protection app. Give this a click to open it up, just like so. And from this window, what you want to do is come down to the virus and threat protection settings, click onto the blue manage settings link, and all you want to do is turn off real-time protection and also turn off the cloud delivered protection. Now by doing this is going to turn off your Windows Defender. Of course, if you want to turn this back on, you just need to come back to the screen and just turn the switch on, just like so, for real-time protection and cloud delivered protection. So that is how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.